Good morning, my dear students. This is a program based on CSV file. Through this program, we can write data into CSV file. So before writing the program, first of all, you have to write one line that is called import CSV. That means in the beginning, you have to import your CSV module in your program. This is important because here in this program we want to access CSV functions like writer function, write row function, or maybe write rows function. So this line is important, import CSV. Then second line, f equals to open student.csv comma w. That means here open function we used. Open means anytime when you want to read or write or modify data, so you have to you need to open your file. So for that purpose you have to write open function. First parameter, name of the file. So this time name of the file is student and its extension is .csv, means this is a CSV file. Then w means mode of the file. This time I want to open my file in write mode. One more parameter or argument you can say is here, but that is optional. That argument is called new line. Here I am not writing new line argument. Then it means when I get the output, means when we get the file student.csv, in that records are stored in this manner, like first record, then one line blank, then second record, then another line blank, then third record, then next line is blank. Means it will leave one line blank. It will feed one line after each and every record. Then here f is a file object. F is a file object. Once the file is opened properly, then the value of f is true. Then stu writer equals to csv.writer f. That means csv.writer function will generate writer object. Generate the writer object. So stu writer is a writer object. Then stu writer dot write row means through this writer object we can call write row function, or means of this write row is it will write one row at a time. So this is a row, this is a permanent because this is a heading, roll number, name and marks. These are the headings of the column, or you can say field name. So roll number is a first field, name is a second field, marks is a third field. Then it is in list manner because big bracket is written here. That's why we are saying that it is a list. Record equals to empty list. That means this time no record present in the file in the REC. Then while true. True is a boolean value. This time it is true means condition is true, so loop will begin. Then print enter student's record. This is a message, it will display as it is. Then R and M and N. These three are the variables to take value from the user. In R we can take roll number of a student in integer manner. In N we can take name of a student. M we can take marks in integer manner. If you want to take marks in float, so you have to write float here instead of this int. After that, student stu record equals to R comma N comma M means this is in the list, means value of R will come here, value of N come here and value of M will come here. After that, rec dot append student record. Once I write this line in the program, it will generate a nested list because one list is already given here. Sorry, this one is a list already given. Inside this, one more list will appear. So this type of list is called nested list. So it will append, means add one more record at the end of the list by using this append function. Then ch equals to input. Do you want to enter more records? Y and n. That means if you press Y, that means this loop will continue again. If you press n, then check the condition. N is equals to n. Yes. If you pressed n, then it will break and stop the execution. So it means come out from the loop. When you come out from the loop, here we have taken value from the user and stored in this variable, and then all the values are kept in the REC in a list manner. So these values are stored in the list in Python software. But we want to keep these records in CSV file. So how we will write these all the records in CSV file? For this we have writer object and write row function. So here I am using write row is a function. Write row function, that means it will write one record at a time by using this for loop. So means first record will come and store in variable I, and by using write row function we can write this record through the for loop. Then second record will come in variable I, and then it will display write by using write row function. Similarly, it will write all the records. After that, now this time it is a comment line, and then f.close. Close is a function. Close is function, means after completing all the work you have to close your file. Just see what will happen when I execute this program. Look this. Enter student's record. This is a message. Enter roll number like 1. Then enter name. Enter name is Alokik. 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 And then marks is 95. And then press enter key. Do you want to enter more records? Yes, I want to enter more records. Either you have to write in capital letter or you have to write in small letter. Both are acceptable. Then roll number 2. Then Abhishek. 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 Then marks of his, suppose that 67. Then press enter key. Do you want to enter more records? No, I don't want to enter. Press enter and then come out from the loop. Say this. Go to file, open, save as, and take the path of your file where it is located. Now I have taken the path. Then simply you have to open your PC and then press and enter key. Now see, here student is a CSV file, and this CSV file is in the form of Microsoft Excel, comma separated value, means by default value will come in Excel sheet. Okay, double click on this, you will get the data like this. Now you see data is appeared in a tabular manner, but here after each record there is a blank line. After each record there is a blank line. Why? Because we not used new line argument in the program. Or if you open this file in notepad, see this. If you open this file notepad, all the values are separated by comma, because this is a CSV file, means by default their delimiter is comma. Default delimiter is comma. So all the values are separated by commas. Okay. Now first you remove this blank line. So how we will remove blank line? Go to the open function and here write NEWLINE line equals to single quotes open, single quotes close without any space, and then save your file. Again run your code and then enter roll number. Roll number is 1 and then name is Shrey. Marks is 80. Then record enter करना है, yes. then roll number is 2, Satyam, 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 then enter marks is 81, press enter. Do you want to add record? No, then press enter, then go here and open your file again. Now see the difference. This time there is no blank line in between the records. It is removed by using new line argument in the opening, during the opening file. I hope this much you have cleared. If you have doubt, please ask to me. Then if you want to use another kind of delimiter, so for this purpose you have to write DELIMITER delimiter equals to, this time I want to write delimiter semicolon, press semicolon and then save your file again and then run it. After executing this file, I want to write record like roll number 1 again and then name is Lokesh, KESH Lokesh, then marks is 99, then record yes, then roll number 2 Dolly, DOLLY Dolly, and then marks is 95 and 96, then press and keep come out from the program. Then see this. Once you see your file, instead of comma here semicolon is appeared. Now how we change this value, means how we make these value in a tabular manner. So for this you have to go in data tab, then from text and CSV file option select and then choose your file where it is located. So my file is located in this location. Select your file, then click on import, means you can easily import or export your CSV file. Now file origin location is this, delimiter this time I use semicolon, and the which manner you want to display, in this manner. Yes, click on load button. Once you click load button, now you will get your file in a tabular manner. This is the solution. So means any delimiter you can use, but the by default delimiter is same comma. And you want to see your file in notepad, so there is also semicolon, because this time we use delimiter semicolon. Now next, how we will write multiple rows at the same time. So for writing multiple rows at the same time, you have to use this line, write row function through the writer object. So stu writer is a writer object, dot write rows, in bracket directly you have to write records, means all the records write at once by using this line. When I execute this program, you will not find how they are writing all the rows at once. Run this program again. Now write roll number 1, name Sachin, marks is 97, then record yes, roll number 2, name is Muskan, marks is 98, then press enter and then now see. Look this, record are stored here. Remove this, go to data tab, then choose your file, select this, then import your file. Yes, semicolon, load this file, and then see your data. So all the records are written at once by the use of write rows function. Clear? This is all about the writer. In writer we have three functions. One is writer, second is write row, and write rows. So all these functions I explained to you. If you have any doubt, query regarding this, please ask to me. Thank you, class.